Hi there and welcome. Thanks so much for checking this out. My name is John Leland and I'm a video explorer and adventurer. And this is Awakening Creative Video Connections for You, Me, and the World. And I'll explain, that title just came to me today. But I promised last week that I would talk about the Patreon Assembly, an event that I attended in San Francisco, although the bulk of it was simulcast from Los Angeles. And I have one key takeaway from that conference. I went to a panel of four successful Patreon community builders, people who have an online following, who are making money online. One actually has built her following with a live show in San Francisco called the Misfit Cabaret. My favorite ukulele teacher, Cynthia Lin, a woman who does how to ADHD. Both Cynthia and that woman have built their following through YouTube channels, and then a podcaster from Talking Simpsons that has really built their following off podcasting. The key takeaway in the lesson, which has come up in other conversations this week, is that you need to build your following first. It's not a no-brainer. A lot of people think, oh, I'll just be a podcaster and I'll make money, or I'll be a video blogger and I'll make money. Really, you need to do the hard work, and every one of these people on the panel had done hard work building a following. Cynthia's example is really an easy one. She did a 100-day challenge and had a hashtag, something like 100 days of ukulele, and literally for 100 days in a row she did a new ukulele video on YouTube every day. And that really gave her a presence. I think I'm doing a similar thing gradually here, although I've been blogging and building an email list for a long time. But this is my 14th week of doing video blogs, and I'm having an idea. That's the second point that I wanted to talk to you about today. So one of the things that's happened, and part of the fun of doing these video blogs, has been inventing a whole distribution system. So I'm publishing them on YouTube, I'm publishing them as IGTV on Instagram, they're on Facebook as native videos, I'm uploading them directly to LinkedIn, and that kind of thing. So that has become a whole network with title graphics and, kind of like my little mini network of distribution. And it occurred to me that a lot of podcasts are now on YouTube. What about video blogs becoming podcasts? And I'm thinking about that. One thing that came up in thinking about that was I really need a title. And, because then if you're going to be a podcast, the show has to have a name. And I thought about this idea of awakening creative video explorations for me, you, and the world. So I am doing a video exploration. That's really kind of what I'm calling myself now. My day job is I'm a digital marketing strategist, but these video programs are really about awakening creative video and exploring what does it mean? How does it work? How do people interact? So that title came to me, and I think it's a good one, but I really want your feedback. The one final point that I want to make about it is this for you, for me, and for the world, because I think making video connections like this, and especially in this world that we have today, which is so divided, I know that in the web there is authentic enthusiasm. I know that everybody is creative in some way, and video is one way for us to get that creative out, to be expressive, to be vulnerable, to talk about things. So for you, I'm doing this because I really want to be of service. For me, I'm doing this because it's my creative expression and I'm exploring, and I do think that it can be of service to the world. So that's this week's blog post, this week's vlog, and who knows, maybe soon it'll be a podcast and you could be listening on iTunes. I always look forward to your comments, suggestions, input of any form, and I am very grateful that you're here to watch. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next week.